I've showered and I've made my coffee, and now I'm just going to read my Bible for a little bit. Right now I'm in 1 Samuel. I'm hoping to get this recap up soon. Well, I need to finish reading, but I want to do 1 Samuel and 2 Samuel together, so I have to keep reading. I've been reading a little slowly, so I need to pick up the pace and read, because I'm supposed to be reading big chapters daily, and I haven't graced on myself. So I think I'm going to start picking up the speed again, so that way I can just get back on track. And yeah, I've also been word studying. You've seen that a little bit the past few videos, so yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it. The sun is intense. I'll check in with you guys after I've read my Bible, and then we can start getting ready together for church. Did I even say what this video is about? It's get ready with me for church. You guys seem to really enjoy that last one I did, so I figured I'd do another one, kind of keep them semi-regular here on the channel, as long as you guys are enjoying them. So I'm gonna read, and then we will get ready and we can chat about what I've read, things that I'm doing. Hopefully the lighting is not terrible. It's just so bright outside. Okay, I think it's too bright now. So I finished reading my Bible. 1 Samuel has been much more interesting than I remember. I know the life of David's in there, and David's always interesting. But there's just a lot I never realized, everything with Saul. I'm just noticing a lot more than I have before, and just how different Saul is from King David, and just the way he acts, and just very much so a non-believer, and just very selfish and careless. Okay, so I'm just gonna start getting ready. The lighting is what it is. I really can't change much of that. And I think you see God's mercy a lot in the life of Saul, just because Saul was not listening to God at all. He was not doing anything God asked him to do. He did not obey. Also, my nose is terrible. If you have crazy allergies, buy one of these vapor inhalers. I don't know what's in them or how healthy they are, but they open up the airway so I can breathe. Oh, that was terrible. I couldn't even breathe when I did that. Allergy season. What was I saying? We was chatting about Saul, and I have my mirror down here, so if you see me look down, you just see how the Lord really showed his mercy towards him, how Saul did not care. You just see the Lord's sorrow, especially in all of Saul's decisions, and him rejecting him as king. But I think it also just reflects his sorrow in the people, that this is what they wanted versus just worshiping him. When I do these videos, me getting ready, I've done a few on my channel. It reminds me of when I first started my YouTube channel, because I started my YouTube channel as a beauty channel 50 million years ago. And in that first year, it did alright. I was growing, and I had one video do really, really well. Within less than a week, I had 50,000. No, I had 30,000 views on it. It was just out of nowhere, and it really freaked me out. So I stopped posting, which is hilarious because I've always wanted to do YouTube, and that could have been what helped me get there. But I think the Lord knew. I'm happy I didn't continue making videos after that. I took a break. But I think that was for the best. Because I think if I would have gone that route, I would have been living a very different life. I would have been very vain and just struggling a lot with my image. And I think everyone struggles, but I think that would have brought on new levels of struggle. Because the beauty community has not always been so, yeah, So I'm happy I never pursued that. Like, I did come back to YouTube and try to keep doing beauty, and then I was just doing a whole bunch of random stuff. And now we're here talking about Jesus. And it's much better. And I enjoy the content. Not that I didn't enjoy the content for beauty, because I enjoyed beauty and it was my creative outlet that I used, especially when I was going through hard times and just trying to figure out my walk with God and all that stuff. Like, makeup was like a good and bad thing for me at that time. No idea what I'm doing, because I'm doing, don't know why I put the pink stuff there. Having a moment. I'm not paying enough attention to me doing my makeup, and I'm chatting with you guys, reminiscing about the past. Okay, well that's gonna have to do, because I don't really have time to redo my makeup. So I'm gonna just set my face. Making a mess. We started another like ladies group at my church. My spiritual mama, she's the one that leads all these groups. We're still doing Hebrews, but us like young ladies, she has all us young ladies, and we're doing this. It's Adversity University, the Fraternity for Eternity by Dr. Paul A. Kingsbury, and it's on Hebrews 12, which we thought was so funny because in the other book, the edition that we have, they removed Hebrews 12. Hebrews 12 explains how God trains his disciples to also obtain a good report and please him by developing faith in him. Through this chapter, we discover that our advancement comes from properly responding to adversity. So we're doing this. We just started, so I have to actually read my first chapter. I'm super excited. Just, yeah, something else to do. I kind of like more structured groups like that. And it's nice to talk to a different group of girls and chat about our lives and the things we may be going through. It's so crazy how on camera it just looks a little wild. And then in person you can barely see it. Open my eye. I also have no idea what I'm wearing today. I usually try to have an idea the night before. A couple options. No idea. My nose is not happy. Also, this is my favorite eyebrow thing to do my eyebrow. It's from BH Cosmetics. It's old. And then when I always, when I sneeze. Wow, that takes the life out of me. I sneeze like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times in a row. It's never just 1 or 2 sneezes. What was I saying? Oh, this. So I bought this the first time I ever ordered on BH Cosmetics. I've tried tons of other products and I always turn back to this one. And then when I was like, oh, I should buy a backup, I'm getting low, I realized they didn't make this anymore. And then BH Cosmetics shut down. So I've literally been scraping from this. And then I got one from my cousin that she had bought. It's a different color, but it still works. But like, this is the best eyebrow thing ever. I will not tell you how old it is, but you can guess. That looks crazy. Oh no. I'll do my lips later, but let's figure out what I'm gonna wear now that I'm done with my makeup. We are by my closet. I did just reorganize it, so it's much more organized. Oh, you guys can't see anything. It's okay. But I did just like reorganize it, so all my more spring and summer dresses are here and shirts. Let me pull out a few options. I bought this thing on Amazon to hold all my skirts. So this holds all my longer skirts. And I think it's pretty cute. Maybe I'll wear a skirt. I did just buy a few tank tops to like wear with skirts. So maybe that's what we do. I think I'm gonna do this. Very simple. But something else I just recently bought were these hair bows. I've been in like a hair bow vibe. And then these like scrunchies with the little tassels. Super cute. So I think I might do that. I will probably finish fixing my hair downstairs just to touch up some pieces, but I will toss that in. And I'm gonna get dressed and then we can chat again. And for my lips, I just used this Maybelline Define Align Brownish Black eyeliner. I like it. It's got the little sponge, and I use it on my lips. I think it's like the perfect brown lip liner if you're a little browner. And then I'm just using my Elevate Beauty Set Apart Lip Gloss. I'm almost done with this one. Good thing I have two. And I have to go quickly do my hair because my sister and I have to go because our church is doing classes for the young adults. So yeah, so I'm gonna pack my bag really quickly. If you want to see a full what's in my bag, see my last Sunday Get Ready With Me because I go into everything I put in my bag. And I will see you guys in my next video. I will have my sister get a clip of me in my full outfit once I'm all set. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.